Namaste, masters. Today we will learn about two mudras. Very simple. First one is Vayu Mudra. So Vayu, it represents wind. So too much wind in our body, that is because of the accumulation of waste products, especially in intestine, and also because of the stress and tensions, we accumulate a lot of waste in our gut. So that has to be released. Otherwise, it will cause bloating, gas problems, and people who are suffering from arthritis, rheumatism, they will feel they will get joint pains. So to relieve this, a very simple mudra I'll share. That is Vayu Mudra. So first thing is place your bend your this thing index finger to the ball of thumb like this, and gently press the thumb onto the ring finger. That's it. This is the Vayu Mudra, and make sure all the other fingers are extended. So this is Vayu Mudra. What are the benefits? People who are suffering from sciatica and gout, that is the kind of arthritis. Sciatica is the nerve. The sciatica, it starts from the back and it continues along the legs. So people who are suffering from the pain, joint pains and sciatica, they will be relieved with the Vayu Mudra. And also, important benefit is this will also heal the serious neurological disorders like Parkinson's. There is trembling of hands and legs. And also, people who are suffering from depression, they can feel relieved. And also, with the problem of flatulence, that is digestion problem. So, this Vayu Mudra will help in easing the digestion.